The Enerpat AD series chip spinner is a high-capacity, full optimized oil removal system designed to handle a wide range of metal chips. It's ideally suited for industries such as automotive manufacturing, railway equipment, and valve production, aluminum processing, electronic and volume extraction. Whatever iron, aluminum, or copper chips are generated during machining. How it works? During operation, the system uses centrifugal force to spill metal chips and separate the residual cutting oil. The oil expelled through a precision salted basket and collected via our Enerpat drainage system before being discharged through the oil outlet. The de-oil chips is continuously pushed by a discharge plate and exists through a bottom of the machine right here. Alright. Self-cleaning oil tank built-in automatic flushing system prevents chip build and keeps the oil outlet free from clogs, even from the fine particles. Hydraulic discharge plate designed to handle a variety of chip shapes, size and weights. The hydraulic system ensures consistent discharge and effective de-oiling no matter the chip's type. Wedge wire screen basket made from control-resistant steel. The screen resists clogging and rust. It offers high separation efficiently and significantly reduces drying time. Dual vibration protection. The machine is mounted on a low-frequency isolators and equipped with the vibrator sensors. If vibration levels exceed safe troubleshoot, the system after adjusts the project to machine from damage. Smart control system. Touchscreen PLC controls allow users to set drying intensity and discharge timing, offering customizable operation for different chip types. Why choose Enerpat? The Enerpat chip spinner is widely used in CNC machining centers, ladders, milling machines, and grinders. It handles a large body of loads of chips, different metals, dramatically reduces drying time, and improves overall recycling efficiently. With the oiling rate of more than 97%, it ensures clean, dry chips and meet environmental standards, including the no drip, the requirement from local environmental protection agencies. This is the aluminum from our shaving machine. After processing in our de-oiling machine, the rate of de-oiling is more than 97%. After processing in our de-oiling machine, I can clearly show you that the de-oiling rate reached up to 97%. There is no oil in the napkin at all.